Always choose to be kind.
Hi, it's Tiana. Thanks for joining for today's Be Kind Craftisode. We have Hope here with us, and she comes with over 45 pieces with 4 unique DIY activities. Let's see what we have. We have DIY matching outfits for Hope and her puppy, DIY hairbands for you and Hope, DIY pouches for you and Hope to match, and a pet cushion for her puppy. Let's make matching outfits for Hope and her puppy. Hope comes with this dress, and her puppy has this little outfit. Her puppy has a collar, and Hope has a matching bracelet, and we get to paint and decorate with stickers. Let's get started. I'm gonna paint Hope's outfit first, and then I'll let it dry and add on the stickers. Now I'm going to put this little sticker on the dog's collar. You could write your puppy's name here. Let's try everything on. I just put on Hope's outfit. What do you think? I'm going to show you how to put on the puppy's outfit. So I'm going to go over the tail, like this. Pull forward. We want to get it over his back legs, or her back legs. And then put her front feet through. So that its feet are sticking out like that. Oh, that looks so cute. Thanks for joining for today's Be Kind Craftisode. And remember, always choose to be kind